I made hundreds of thumbnails with high-performing CTRs. If you want to learn how to make these thumbnails, stick around. I'm making thumbnails every day and showing you along the way how to do it. Are you down? Would it hurt you to subscribe? Do it. Today I'm asking ChatGPT to give me a random YouTube title for me to make a thumbnail for. Can you give me a super random video title for YouTube? And this is what ChatGPT came up with for this video. Okay, what happens if you microwave a cactus at midnight? Let's go. So to make my thumbnails I use Canva. When in Canva you can create a new design. And we're going to make a YouTube thumbnail. I always start my thumbnails with a background, and for this background I'm using a black one because we're simulating that it's happening at night. Maybe this one. And we're going to microwave a cactus at midnight, so now we need a cactus. And I have found a cute cactus, which is this one. We're going to put it here, add a little shadow behind it, and because this is a happy cactus, I'm going to put on a white shadow. Yes. And we're going to put it in a microwave. So we're going to search for a microwave. And I think this one will do just fine. Remove the background, Canva Pro only, but I use it all the time. A microwave. And I want to put it behind the cactus, like this. So we're going to duplicate this one, because we have to put it in the microwave. I'm going to make it a little smaller to fit it in the screen. And then we're going to play around and make some adjustments to the picture so that it looks like it's inside of the microwave. Like this. Okay, round off the corners so that it looks like it's standing in the middle. Okay. We want the thumbnail to spark curiosity, so we want something to happen inside of the microwave. And what I was thinking about is to give it some evil eyes. Just so that the cactus becomes evil when you put it in a microwave or something. So let's check what's available. Maybe this one. Cool. And then we need to find a mouth, an angry mouth. So angry mouth. And let's see what's available. Like this one. This one is cool. Maybe make it a little bit smaller. Yes. Okay, cool. Maybe make the eyes and the mouth a little transparent, so that it looks like it's in the microwave. Yes. And then we want some effects to the microwave that make it look more evil. So I'm going to make a red glow behind the microwave, like this. Put it behind the microwave. Yes. And I want some smoke coming off. White smoke. Nah. and put it behind the microwave as well, like this. And maybe a straight no, that's too much. And something like this. Okay, now to spark curiosity in a thumbnail, we always want some text supporting the title. So the title will be what happens when you put a cactus in the microwave at midnight. So maybe something like, don't do this. It's a great text to put on the thumbnail. Don't do this. And whenever I put text in a thumbnail, I always add an effect and put or a neon effect on it or a lift effect. I'll show you what it does. This adds a little shadow behind the text, and the neon effect makes the text pop out more. But in this case, I like the lift effect more. And you can choose if you want to put it before or behind the smoke. Let's see what the difference is. In front of the smoke is better. And to give it that before and after effect, we're going to put an arrow inside of the thumbnail. Doesn't matter which arrow, but I'll use this one. And to make it pop out, we'll make it red. And give it a little shadow. Always use shadows when you're using this kind of stuff. It just gives it a little extra depth, you know? So, what do you think? So I think this is an awesome thumbnail. You have cactus before, after, a microwave, don't do this, and an arrow pointing towards the microwave. And in combination with the title, what happens when you put a cactus in the microwave at midnight, I think this is a real good combination of a thumbnail with a title that work together and make the viewer click. And that's important because if the viewer doesn't click, they don't see your video. So the thumbnail is the most important part of your YouTube video packaging. And if you like this video, make sure to subscribe and watch this video next, because it's another video about me making a thumbnail in Canva with some more information about how to create the best thumbnails for YouTube. Thanks for watching. Fan out.